Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Pratik Bhoite. In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of sleep and the side effects of having less sleep. Sleep is one of the basic needs of human being like eating, drinking and breathing. It is one of the important vitals of the foundation of basic health of an individual throughout his lifetime. Sleeping is the most essential component of the daily activity of a human being. Sleep is not only important for the physical well-being but also for the mental well-being of an individual. There are two types of activity in general when you talk about sleep: rapid eye movement and non-rapid eye movement. Rapid eye movement, REM, is nothing but the deep sleep, and the second, the non-REM, non-rapid movement, is nothing but the time at night when we dream. Many people come to us and they tell us like they sleep for 5 hours. Some people might tell us like it is important to stay awake to go ahead in life. But do you know the world's richest man, Jeff Bezos, also sleep for 8 hours daily? In these competitive times, everyone wants to be more productive, and as the job is demanding, they have to do overtime. Hence, to become multi-skilled and multitasking, people stay awake at night. Habits like staying late up at night, having intermittent sleep, or sleeping at inappropriate times are some of the habits which many people are unknowingly inculcating. When you tell people about sleep, they say, no, I can manage my sleep, nothing great about it. But this is extremely wrong. According to America's famous medical institute, Harvard Medical School research, people who sleep less have weakness, have mood swings, and have less focus in the workday too. When continuously you're sleeping late, you may tend to develop heart diseases and hypertension. Obesity is one of the symptoms found in the patients who sleep less. Thus, hormone like leptin, which is responsible for the feeling of appetite, reduces, and a hormone ghrelin increases, wherein you don't understand how much you are eating, and people land up eating more, thus hampering their health and exposed to many diseases. People who sleep lesser than 6 hours tend to increase stress hormone called cortisol, and many mental illnesses can be seen. Hormones of digestive system, sugar controlling insulin hormone, are irregulated, and due to which imbalance occurs. Thus, diseases like diabetes, digestion related problems like hyperacidity can be seen in such patients. Due to less sleep, aging occurs and the life expectancy of an individual reduces. Many people have lesser immunity and have a tendency to fall ill regularly. Thus, it is important for us to maintain an appropriate amount of sleep, and to maintain the timing of the sleep, we should avoid unwanted staying late up at night. We should avoid surfing or chatting just before the bedtime. Now let us understand how much sleep is essential for a normal individual. So in general, for a normal adult, 7 to 8 hours of sleep is important. For children, according to their age, 9 to 12 hours of sleep is important. In general, according to the scientists, from night 10 o'clock to morning 5 or 6, you can sleep, and this is the best time to have good sleep. So I hope you take sleep at right time and prioritize it. Hope this video helps you. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.